That's got better than not anyhow. I said the race. Yeah. Jesus. Sorry, no face, I beg. No face. Hey, no face, oh. No face, I beg. My head, oh. Hey, Jesus, please bring that gun down. I don't want to die yet, I beg now. Bring it down.
Borisa, where your boss dey? Where your guy dey?
He dey inside, I'll go get money. He gonna give you money, I beg.
Shut up! Take us to your guy.
Okay, sir, I beg, let me bring down this gun. Bring down that one, I don't want to die.
Will you keep quiet and take us to your boss now? If not, you see yourself for burial ground. Move! Move! Wait! Did it just wee on your body? Guy, she say she don't use urine scatter everywhere. You will just pity him. Just keep your gun down. But any funny movement, you could blow off your head. No even try him. Now, move!
You all see the point me.
I said move! Move!
So you mean we should order this one? Maybe this $3,000. This is...
Move it! Go! Stop it!
That one we had for back now, the wife, now she get the money.
Where is the money?
Please don't shoot. Anything that you want, I'll give to you. Please don't shoot.
Can I be going now? Show you what you want now.
Shut up! Nobody is here. Now, move!
Please don't shoot.
Move.
I'll move.
Oh yeah, move! Move them! Move! I'll move! My friend, move! Move, my friend! Don't waste my time. Move! Keep on moving. Move!
You see what I was telling you? Obio, did you see what I've been saying? She brought those armed robbers to you. Is she not supposed to secure the house, secure everybody living here? No, she didn't.
Come on, baby. Stop with the blame already. How do you expect her to control 3 men with guns? If it was a full-grown man that was at that gate, he wouldn't have been able to defeat them, and you know it.
Can you hear yourself? Then why is she at the gate? Tell me. What is the essence of she being at the gate, Obiora?
Maybe she's at the gate just to open and close it. That's it. If I needed a security, I know what to do.
But she's not supposed to bring the armed robbers to us. She's not supposed to. See, I think she's just senseless. She's stupid. She doesn't deserve this job. Why don't you send her back to her mother? She's better off selling akara with her mother on the streets. I am tired. I don't want to start repeating myself again, Obiora, please.
Baby, do you also realize that she was as scared as you were?
I don't care whether she's scared or she's not scared. She took the job as a gate woman, so she should do it. All rubbish, nonsense.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Obio, guide you.
Guys, how far now? Where do you want
Guy, try calm down. Your body today hot. We never conclude anything yet. Even boss lady never pick our courses yesterday. But now she send me come here now. One more do the right thing now. When they drop that money.
Listen, guy. The money will not reach us for sure. The money too small.
Bagam.
And tell boss ladies you no go fit share am with anybody.
Una dey craze?
Now wetin they tell you?
Una dey mad? Wetin una dey talk for here? Come on, I no use me play. Wanna bring her that money? Wetin dey talk for here now?
Bro.
Okay.
You dey
Bro.
come for my face.
You like say you won't go greet your papa?
Exactly.
You won't go tell your daddy, hello? Bro, if you do anyhow or do anything, you go collect. You go collect what.
I won't understand something. You don't reach one of the point come for my head.
Just see am.
No, na stick where the point for you go collect.
So you the point come for my head. Come on, una not try at all. Una not try.
Just see am now.
God.
Wetin you want?
Go tell boss lady say the money never dey ready.
This thing when I do no jail. When I go hear from you.
Hey, guy. Go tell boss lady say
You no fit share any money.
the money never dey ready.
Money, you no fit share am.
You, what are you doing here? Is this your work post? Is this where you're supposed to be?
Who are you to ask me that question? Am I owing you?
I don't understand.
You shut up.
I should shut up?
Yes. Let me talk.
Hey,
Keep
God.
quiet. This is my territory. Besides, Oga gave me the license to stay wherever I want to stay in this house. So you don't have any right to question me. So keep quiet.
In fact, you are fired.
Come on.
Get your useless self out of this house this moment.
Who is?
I say you should move.
No, if you touch me, if you talk, I swear to God, I'll change it for you. Are you okay? Are you high? Are you mad? Am I playing? Do I look like I'm playing with you? See, carry this your bad energy. Carry this your busybody out of my sight because now I'm going to keep. Forget that my name is UTONWA. May I have bad side of me? I have very bad side that you don't want me to show you. Do you understand? I am UTONWA, sweet girl, yes, of course. But I also have bad side. I don't let me to use it on you because you hate me.
Why am I even wasting my precious time? Exchanging words with this thing. It is obvious that you are insane. And please, before I will lose it, get out of this house.
You've already lost it. Every time you will lose it, you will lose it. My sister, you've been losing it. So you've been losing it. Just say, don't allow me to lose it completely. Even if you lose it completely, I will help you, my sister. I will help you gather it and put it back to you. Because you have nothing on me. You've got nothing on me. Okay? My sister, carry your bad energy and move far away. Move far away from me. In fact, it's no longer bad energy. It is bitter energy. Carry your bitter energy and move far away from me. Because if I crush you,
Otunwa.
not too much because don't spell my name.
Can you keep quiet?
UTONWA.
Keep quiet!
UTONWA.
What is wrong with you? I have been taking your excesses in this house.
Get out. Get out, my friend. Bad energy, stay far away. Just move far away from me. Don't even come for me. If you do that, I'll make sure I decide your head. Come on, get your head out.
If you allow me,
Bitter soul, angry demon. Very wicked. See, you are not even bad energy. You are bitter energy. Don't just stay far away from me and bust your
just leave this house this
Maybe
moment.
you should beat me.
I said you should leave.
Touch me. You should just know that my Obi Bobon will not even look your way.
Your what?
My Obi Bobon, my Obi Nwa, my Obi Daddy, he will not look your way. He will chase you out very soon. You should better get that into your thick skull.
It is obvious that you are insane. And your brain was cut short when they give birth to you. I have been taking your excesses. I have been managing you in this house. And I have been losing it. But if you don't want me to lose it completely, for the last time, I am telling you to leave this house.
I am not even manager.
I said you should. I said you should leave.
Swear to God, I will
Otunwa,
land
leave.
this. I will land this on your head. You don't know me, oh.
Leave.
Go ask questions, though. You're very useless. Let me tell you something. You know this hormone that used to transfer.
Leave. I said
Come.
get out.
Come.
I'm warning you for the last time. Get out.
Point me again, I will.
Get out.
Don't go and mess up. What did I say? Don't go and mess up. You go now, so you go take rugged this thing. Very soon, I'm going to come back. And I don't want to make you fall my hand at all. I beg. I take God to beg you.
Okay, question one I want to ask you. This plan so where you strategize, how want to achieve it?
Tell me how you want to achieve it. You did, what's in there? Don't worry. Now me go personally carry you, go where you go stand. You go stay there. Then anytime I call you, you go run. Come on. No where anything, no where only busters.
Huh?
You go where only busters. Once I call you, just run. Make it be say like if they want from person. Then that's just it for now. That's just it.
Guilty they bother me. You sure say na only that madam go dey inside room?
I tell you now, carry my water from out. Now only I'm there, now only me and I'm there now. For now, now only me and so those people will come out. The other one go market, the other one go site. Now only me and I'm there. So she no go come down until I come. And if I come back, I will just call you. You go wrong. Simple. It's so simple. I beg.
You know why they ask you? Me, I no want wahala.
If you want make I kneel down, I go kneel down beg. You know for my hand, I beg. Now my opportunity be this, I beg. No use that. I beg. I beg.
Relax, I go do am na less, na small thing. I'll do. I'll be bad boy and I'll do am. Shoo.
Wahala.
Listen, na less, I go do am.
Yeah.
Honey, I'm home. Where are you? Baby. Young man, who are you? Tasha!
Who are you?
I'm talking to you, who are you? Baby, tell me who I am now. Tasha! Tell me now, I'm looking at you.
What is going on here? I don't know you. Who are you? Honey, I don't know you.
Why you denying me now?
You have like 3 rounds. See? What? I don't know you. Who are you?
Why you denying me now?
Say before I lose it.
I don't know who he is. I don't know you. Who are you?
You deny me.
Can you imagine? What's going on here? I'm seeing
You really do this right now. What? Don't stop. Get from this.
I don't know.
Tasha, what's the meaning of this?
I don't know who he is. I'm just seeing him for the first time.
Big whore! Can you just imagine?
I don't know who he is. I don't even understand what is going on. I don't know how he got to the house.
Don't touch me!
I'm serious.
I said, don't touch me!
Please, just calm down. Maybe, I don't know, there might be misunderstanding story. No, baby.
Don't come upstairs with me! Don't come upstairs with me!
I don't know who he is.
Leave me alone!
If you see my baby here, you go shut up and go. My baby too fine, no be make. Hey, my baby.
Hey, Jonah, who let that bastard into this house? How did he enter? Who opened the gate for him? I don't understand. But I went to the market. So, how did he get into this house? What was his mission? Why is he here?
I think UTONWA is responsible.
UTONWA?
Mm-hmm.
No. How? She doesn't have that mental capacity.
Also?
She can't even think that deep.
Eh? Don't even go there. You see that Chekeleke? She's smarter than you. Her brain is very sharp. Don't even look down on her. Or say, yeah. Don't even go there. That girl is very, very smart.
You have to take a fall for this. Someone needs to be sacrificed. And that person is you.
What?
Yes. You will go to, listen. You will go to Obio. Tell him the guy came looking for you. Tell him it was because of you he came.
I will never do that. Never.
You would have to do it. You have no choice.
Please, count me out.
Ijoma,
You will.
you have no choice.
I will protect you with everything in me. Guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm. Jai, one time I watch and you are safe. not a joke.
Mr. Obi. My Obi with the money. Obi with the golden money. Obi. You called me, sir.
UTONWA, you know I enjoy your jokes, but I'm not in my state of mind. Please go open the gate, I'm stepping out.
You're not in your state of mind. I know why you. Sorry, yeah? Sorry. It will be well. You know that your wife, that your girlfriend. Me, I know everything that is going on. But it's just that me, I don't like putting mouth to some things. So that it's not be like, oh, you hate her, oh, you don't like her, that's why you're doing all these things. Do you understand? I used to see when she would bring that man into this household.
What?
But yes, when I asked her, she told me that is my brother. It's my brother. So me, no need of doing my investigations. Do you understand? My grandmother used to tell me that all these five women, they don't have value at all. All of them, they used to cheat on their men. You see that? So now they don't marry again because of beauty. You marry because of brain, sense. If I'm you, I'll go and look for anybody with sense and not the person with beauty. What is beauty? If you marry beautiful people, that means you are marrying for the community. Do you understand? So it's better you should go for brain. Somebody like me now have plenty sense. Like brain choke. Sense be choke. It will choke. And me, I cannot even go and cheat on my husband like that. Somebody like you that is, you have money, you have everything. What is she lacking? Nothing.
UTONWA, thank you so much for your advice.
You're welcome, sir.
I appreciate it. I'm stepping out. Can you now open the gate?
Let's go out.
Yes.
In this your mood, you are still in your heartbreak mood. You're not supposed to go out. At least still be inside down, Flex with your mood.
Okay. So go open the gate. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no worry. Obi with money. Mr. Obi with the money. I have money.
You whore! You cheap slut! What are you still doing in my house?
Why are you accusing me wrongly? What's that?
You are leaving my house today!
You lie.
Not today!
Sir, I am sorry. The young man was there because of me.
What?
He's my boyfriend. And I stepped out to get something. I never knew that you were coming back. They said, please forgive me. I'm sorry, sir.
Ijoma, what are you talking about? That man called Tasha darling right in front of me. And not just that, I am sure that he's referring to Tasha.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. He only did that because he just did it to save me because he knew I was going to be punished if he find out I brought a man into the house. I'm sorry, sir. It will never happen again, I promise you.
Are you trying to say, or rather, are you insinuating that you have been bringing men into my home? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, sir.
I think you owe me an apology.
My love, my heartbeat, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you or disrespect you in any way. I'm sorry for not believing in you. You know you're everything and more than I ever wanted in a woman. And I'm telling you that I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. Please, forgive me. It won't happen again.
It's okay. But that guy is a bastard. And as for the cook, I think she needs to be fired.
Oh, come on, my darling. That wouldn't be necessary, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, she already said that she's sorry. So just let it go.
Okay.
Okay.
What's going on? Am I really seeing clearly, or am I seeing clearly? Am I dreaming, or am I like, what's happening? I came here to carry back because of what she did, and it seems people are still getting to know each other, like people are getting along. Is it the bad thing that made you people to start getting along, or you're just acting or something? What's going on?
Otunwa, if you don't leave here this minute, I will use your body to mop this floor. Get out.
UTONWA, please leave.
Just leave already. Get out.
It's my Oga I'm respecting you. I swear to God, you are the one I'm respecting, sir. Because I did not even talk to her. I've seen the way she's disrespecting me. Oh, I don't even have your time. I've told myself that I've not talked to you. That will come from your body.
Thank you.
You cannot be fine. You are even fine. I'm seeing you fine.
UTONWA sugar, sugar, oh. Cheche, UTONWA no dey take any nonsense.
Babe,
Yes, baby.
let's leave here already.
Babe, we'll wait soon, okay? We're not done yet.
Boy has lost a lot. What else does the boss want? His life?
No, babe. You need to understand. We take direct orders from the boss. So just calm down, okay? Please.
Please. I don't want to get caught. You have to make her to understand. It's time we leave here before it's too late. That's what I'm saying.
Babe, just calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. Everything will be alright. We'll leave soon, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, babe.
Yes, everything will be fine because I've recorded everything. Like, from beginning to the end. I've recorded it.
UTONWA, delete that video now!
Delete it!
I said delete that!
Delete what? If you are strong enough, come and delete it.
I said delete that video now! This way. Delete that video!
Come on, sir.
Frank,
Sir.
what are you doing here? And who did you leave my side for?
I am sorry, sir. I have bad news.
What do you mean you have bad news? Speak, what is it?
Sir, we were robbed last night. And the thieves made away with the generator, the wires and other building materials.
I'm sorry about that, sir. How is that even possible?
Sir, the securities were drunk last night. Or even drunk because they did not wake up till this morning, sir. I am really surprised about the whole situation. I'm really sorry, sir.
You mean all the stuff in my site are gone? Is that what you're saying, Frank?
Sir, are you okay, sir?
Baby, please.
Please, I'm in the mood now, babe.
Baby, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
You said that we were going to leave after you take the money and other stuffs. What's going on?
Babe, you need to calm down now. I'm working on this. I just need some more time. Babe, I'm in the mood now.
Baby, please. I'm pregnant. I don't want this pregnancy to come out before our wedding. We need to leave as soon as possible. Baby, why are you taking this thing very unserious?
Listen, babe. Why are you treating me like this? I'm working on this and soon we'll leave in due time. I need you. I've missed you a lot. Babe, I want.
Baby, no.
Babe,
We need to talk about this thing too.
We protect you with everything we need. Guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm more. Jay, I wonder my watch and know you are safe.
Oga. Child, this life. Oga, calm down. Yeah? Calm down. Breathe in. Out. In. Out.
Thank you. I am fine.
You are not fine. You are even crying and you are saying you are fine. You are not fine. You are not fine at all. You are a human being. Yes, I know. You have your feelings. You have mood. You have emotion. And you don't need to hide anything. Normal. You're supposed to cry. Yes. See, if you feel cry, you can cry. I'm here to wipe your tears. I'm here to console you. Please, take it easy on yourself.
UTONWA, I'm fine. It's just that I don't know why people are so wicked. The world is so cruel. I don't know why people hate me so much. I help people and make sure that everyone around me is fine. Who have I offended? Can you imagine? Just of recent, I borrowed some money from my friend to complete the project that I took as a contractor. I bought all the building materials needed. Just all of a sudden, everything was stolen. Tell me, where am I supposed to be going from here? What's my next move? I am empty as a man. I have nothing left with me.
It's okay. It's okay, son. It's okay. Everything will be fine. You were the one that made the money before. You will still make the money. Let that one just be like, God, you don't know how God works. Maybe it's God's doing. You don't know what God has for you in the future. You still make money, you still rise. You'll be bigger than your past. Calm down.
Who's doing this to me?
Nobody's doing this. God.
Who's doing this to me?
Child. Sorry, sir.
I've not wronged anybody. Why they hurting me?
Sorry, sir. Everything will be okay. Everything will be perfect. It's okay, please. It's okay. You see. The way I'm looking at you is just doing me like I should just come and meet you. If I use this hand, I will wipe your mouth. Like, if I slap your mouth, I'll make sure that I use like twist it out of your face. You don't do finish. Like, you don't do finish. You overdo. I know why you desperately want me out of this house. I know, my sister. Evil that men do, die with them. But this time around, this one, I'm going to expose it before you die with it. First of all, let me make it clear to you that may I have searchlight in this house, and also in my Obio's building construction company. Yes, I know what is going on here. Both in his room, in this parlor, everywhere around this house, and in that place. You see that happened? Hey, I know what happened though. I know who and who was involved. I just want to let you know that I have searchlight in this house, and in that my Bobo's, Obio's construction company. That to tell you that I know everything that is going on in this house and in that house, in that place. My sister. You see that thing they say? Leg where they waka wara wara wara. Eyes where they waka wara wara wara. You see ya? That thing no be lie. Everything where they happen for here and his room, everywhere in this house and that place, I just see that thing happen. I know everything. I know how it take happen. I know people and people where they involved. Everything. All of them. I know una. Why I'm not talking? Me, I don't have evidence yet. I'm still gathering my information. By the time I'll be done with my you go choke, you go loud. I swear to God. I will use my evidence and wipe your bum bum. I will wipe your bum bum until your bum bum less. Trust me. Trust me when I say that.
Is somebody talking?
I think I can only hear echoes. Yeah. Who is echoing? Is somebody echoing?
If I echo, madam.
Because the person echoing cannot even see herself.
No, if I echo, that this place look empty to you.
You've spoken a lot. You've spoken a lot. I don't have your time today. And I'm not ready for you. All this while you've been talking and ranting and been throwing tantrums and I've been responding to you, I just realized that I'm being so low, stooping low to your level to respond to you, and I've decided that I will not respond to you anymore. But trust me, the day that I will mean you, the day I am ready to deal with you, just like this, you will vanish from the surface of this earth. And nobody will question me. Nobody will find you. I am warning you. Be careful with me. Be careful with me.
Ataka. You say you are stupid solo to talk to me. Mugu. Well, you don't know you are a mugu. You are stupid solo. Me and you now know. Stand up now. How many inches far away? You are saying you are stupid solo. You are already low now. As low as nothing. Do you understand? So say two people that are shouting. If you are shouting with mad person, you are equally a mad person. So me and you, we are low together. Do you understand? Me and you don't already stoop so low and we're talking to ourselves like mad people already. Do you understand? Then again, you say you don't have my time, Abby? And the day you have my time, let me see between them and talking to your
How
person.
dare you touch my phone?
Eh? You know the difference between me and you? I can touch you, you cannot touch me. If you touch me, you die. Try it. Try it now, let me destroy this your eyes. Try it.
Yes, hold on. Who is there? Hold on.
Good day, ma.
Good afternoon. Who are you looking for?
I'm here to see UTONWA. I hear she lives in this big house now.
Who are you to her?
Well, I'm a friend for a very long time, but we lost contact and we've not spoken for a very long time.
Wow,
Yes,
that is good to hear.
thank you.
You know what? I am going to have your contact, eh? So put your contact here.
Okay. Take, ma. Take it. And please help me give this to her.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
You can go.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Take care of yourself, eh?
Okay,
Have a nice day.
Yes, ma.
Bye.
I am just telling you now, come and carry your useless daughter out of my house. Come and carry her before, and I will make sure you spend the rest of your poor life in prison.
I'm off your chineke brono. Eh? If you don't leave this my house, I will beat you. I can see that you are actively looking for charity syndrome. You dey look for charity syndrome. If I dey give you, make person not beg me, oh, because I no go agree. Carry your useless self and this year come from where I know say na abu fulam. Come on for here.
They come close to me.
Eh?
If you come close to me, I will make sure I kill you here, and nobody will do anything about it. And I'm serious.
Kiliwi Nwachuku. You should use the energy. See this energy where you take the yak your mouth here. Use them now. Use them. Look for the native doctor where do this medicine when no they work for you. Yes. You see this energy where you take, they fight my child. Use and go do something about yourself. Because upon all the things where you do, where make men, they love you. Even like say then they use you. You know, say the usual they work. You know they work now. So carry and come out for here. Carry your frustration. Come out for my house. Not be me do you waiting they do you.
Look at who is talking about juju. You think I don't know that you and your daughter have been using juju on my man? You think I don't know? I know. I am just waiting for the day that juju will expire. And I will make sure I disgrace both of you.
You they see wait.
Yes.
Your own no go expire. Yes, because the man will do your own. Unknown gunmen don't kill and sense. Yes. So it be like say, as far as you are concerned, now consequential you go be for life. Nobody go marry you keep for your house. Yes.
Just be careful, don't insult me.
Oscar, I be carry this your body come out for here. See you. Now you them. Okay, now.
Yes, that's what you are.
You go and go to my house or you don't want to be mad woman. Your nyash no fit keep man. You dey fight my daughter. You know the shame. I'm not here. Woo! You go jump, that's why you go there collect from one step to another till you die. And they wait for you. Is they for you where? Come back here again. Make I show you say now charity syndrome. Now you dey look for and I go give you back. I'm not fetching it up. I'm not playing. Good one more thing in the range. Only the end. I Obio on your hands.
UTONWA sugar girl, na na na. Aye, UTONWA sugar. Che, UTONWA no dey take any nonsense. But UTONWA na dreamer. Waiting the hungry me no dey market. Che, mechem. UTONWA everywhere, chief security officer.
What are you doing here?
What is it? What is the whole? Are you mad? You cannot help me up. You're asking me what am I
You're very
like?
stupid. You want me to help you up as what? You are mad. Don't you have respect?
I'm the one you're insulting, Abi. I'm the one you're insulting, Mugu. You don't have sense, or you this girl. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Hey.
You know, I have your story here. You're still doing busybody. Mumu. Okpo. You don't have sense. You will never end well, you this girl. They're not train you well. That's why you remain single for your life. Like nobody will want to marry an ugly girl with ugly heart. See ya.
UTONWA, why do you hate me so
I
much?
call you spit on your face, Mugu.
Why do you always fight me?
Don't worry. Very soon, you will see your noodles online. I will make sure I upload a long movie. It's going to be a long one. Like part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm going to make it series. Noodles, Ijoma's Noodles. Ijoma's Noodles is going to be the name of the series. Trust me. Mugu. Who is this one? Why you touch me? You don't get respect. Get mad.
Why do you hate me?
Why
Why do you always fight me?
Snap your mouth. The thing is by drawing tattoo. Anytime you see man, your body gonna shake. You don't have control over yourself. You don't have control. Your body will be shaking. They're not showing you where. You don't get papa. If you say you get papa, you for not say something. If you go outside, then they go beat you. Blue and black. Even if your mama put 2 pets you. I can't know the 2 pets. But they go use you to do 3.
Jesus. What is all this? Who is this? Who is this small rat? This girl is a witch. You know what? I know what to do. What are we going to do? That girl wants to ruin us with that video.
You know, I have a plan. I want to steal her phone, but I just need some time to do that.
Good. And you have to be fast about it.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I have my own way of sending her out of this house without any stress.
How do you intend doing that?
A guy came the other day looking for her, and he said they were friends. So I collected his number. With that, we can easily send her out of this house.
But are you sure the guy will help us? That is the most important thing here.
Ha! I don't want saying this. If it means paying him, we have to do that. Very simple.
You have a point. You know, how come I never thought about this?
What is this?
Hi! You were? Give me 5 jars.
Choma!
What nonsense? Man, you called me. What nonsense did you prepare? What rubbish did you prepare? Do you want to kill us? What's this poison? Ijoma, before you kill me, I will kill you in this house. Babe!
Enough, baby. This is not the right way to handle this.
How else do you want me to handle this? How else
best do you want me to handle it? What is this nonsense? Can't you see what she prepared?
Ichoma,
Sir.
what happened to the food? We have never made something like this before. What changed?
Sir, the food was good when I prepared it. It wasn't like this. I don't know what happened.
Are you still talking? Are you still talking, Ichoma? What rubbish! You make poison, you prepare poison, and you open your mouth to tell me this is not how you prepared it. Do we have a taste board? Or we don't know how food tastes? Yes! Look at what you make! My friend, before I open and close my eyes, go inside, get the mop, and come and clean up this place. Rubbish! Look at her. Nonsense.
I will protect you with everything you need. Guide you with every strength I have. Guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm more.
Sir! Your agent! Your competent security is here to report for duty. Sir! Also, I am here to thank you for accepting me, for giving me this job. I appreciate. And I promise you, I am going to deliver. I'm going to do all my best to make sure this vicinity is protected. Thank you, sir. Protected.
UTONWA, how are you doing today? I hope you're good.
I'm fine, sir.
Nice. I want to thank you for caring about me. I appreciate for everything you have been doing, okay? I want you to know that you are more like a sister to me now. And I want you to feel free to do anything that you want.
Sir! Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate. Thank you, sir. Now, permission to go back to my post.
Nobody go fit to do you
are well permitted.
Thank you, sir.
I'm watching you are safe. May nobody joke with my Obi Kubana, because I know they use them.
Hello, baby. Can you hear me? Maybe I can't continue to stay here. In fact, I don't want to share that money with them anymore, please. Hold on. I just want you to come and pick me up before the week runs out, please. I am tired of everything here. Yes. Yes.
Hey baby, how are you doing?
That's fine.
What is the problem?
Tasha is making life miserable for me. We have to change plan.
So, listen, babe, you need to calm down, babe. All our plans are still intact. And I promise you, I will deal with it after we get the money. Just relax yourself. Please. You know I don't like it when you're upset.
That reminds me. Why haven't I received my money from the last time?
Babe, that useless Tasha is with all the money. But just calm down, okay? I'll try to get our own share, please. Just relax yourself. Okay? Sure. Babe, I will sort everything out. Just relax. All our plans are still intact. Just relax yourself. Everything will be fine. Okay? It's okay. I don't know if you're upset. Yes, mine.
Mama, since you dey shine, be like level don't change. Since you dey shine,
I suppose China.
you won't give me updates. What did they solve?
I suppose China. If you look how they work, you gonna say normal. I suppose to shine. Level don't change.
Since you just...
How about that your girlfriend one of the days at that time?
Yeah, forget that girl. That girl just wants me to shine. So beg, she just dey beg me, they beat me. For someone where they also for streets.
Every minute just they ask me, buy me this, buy me that. I'm my tired.
It's tired.
Yes.
But now they do shakara that time. Everywhere where they go, they buy this side, they buy this and blah 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 blah.
I better forget that thing. I better forget that thing.
I don't know say for this life when two we break up. I don't know. I just say na everlasting love.
Listen, that one don't pass. No need to make me come find you. You remember? Okay, again one day why I come here, I meet one fair girl. Like she get one kind shape. I give her something she give you. You receive them.
I receive am now, but
Wait. You get why I bring that thing come?
why?
Get one of your friends they call Tina. We fair. She sharp. Get body. You know so I like girls who get body well. I like that you're friends. I won't make you help me talk.
Okay, now you don't fetch from your own girlfriend, don't they enter my friend.
I don't tell you see that girl will not dig in now.
Why you come and enter my own friend now? You want come break our own hearts? I don't understand.
I don't need girl who will stress me at this stage. You know say the struggle. Life never better. No be like you yet now. Things still hard for me.
You want understanding girlfriend?
Yes now. Girl will not go stress me now.
I don't do. I don't go tell my friend anything. She don't do. You want me she dey look like Aringo so? You don't go take care of her because you want to understanding girlfriend.
I
No.
don't take care of her shoe. Why they talk like this now? You want to insult me?
Brother, this life, now not be where you go to follow people where they do understanding boyfriend and don't understand. If you don't feel pay for girl, leave her. Nobody they do understanding girlfriend now. I beg. Nobody want suffer. I
You go
beg.
help me, Abi. No go help me.
And I'll think about. I will help you on one condition. You go do am.
Wetin you don't understand again? Which kind of condition you want give me?
You get what now make you help me run.
Wetin I want come help you do again?
I'm never ready.
I like no now. You want push me for gutter?
You go say yes or no. If you talk yes now, I go help you run your own matter. You go help me run my matter, but you no go help me.
Okay, I go help you. I will help you. What's it? Tell me. What's
You
it?
go help me.
I will help you. No.
You go help me.
Yes,
Now you say
yes.
I know you talk about.
Now me talk and I go do am. Wetin
No,
be
I
that?
go help you too. But I go talk for you for phone. Not be wetin we go talk for here now.
So we no fit talk for you like this.
I say I go call you now. Phone matter, no be face to face
Eh.
matter.
Okay. I beg. Help me pity.
As you dey give, I go dey give me o. Or me I go dey talk.
That first one na your own now. Give this one to Tina.
That one na my
Yeah,
own.
that one na your own.
I go call you this night. I go tell you.
This night,
Eh.
make I dey expect your call. Paddy,
You go do am o.
I go do am.
You go do am
Go get
o.
wahala.
UTONWA sugar girl, UTONWA sugar.
I told you this was not a good idea. But this thing in between your legs will always control you. Just look at where you've landed us. Just look at what you've caused.
Please, calm down, please, calm down. This is not the time to blame
Don't
anybody, okay?
don't even tell me that.
We need to find a lasting solution to this issue. We need to make sure the boss does not hear this, else everything we have been working for will be gone. We are finished.
Did you hear there? Hold it there. Did I hear you say us? There is no us here. You brought it upon yourself. Did you hear me? And you have to fix it. In fact, I am tired. I am exhausted. Just no, please. Just let me be for now.
But what about the guy you talked about?
The guy.
Yeah.
I called him and he said he was going to call me back. But till now, I've not heard from him. But that is not important. You have to fix this mess you brought upon yourself. It is very important and you have to do that. Did you hear me?
I will try my best, okay? Just calm down, okay? Agitating like this will not solve this issue. We'll do something about this
You
situation.
better do, please.
Guess what, baby? I have all the money in my car.
It's a lie.
Yes, baby. All the money. Babe, I told Tasha that I will not be able to give her money for now. That to find buyers are difficult. That she should give me some more time. And she agreed to that.
This is why I love you. You're very smart. You're intelligent. You're everything.
I love you too, baby. So much. You know, I can't wait to enjoy beautiful moments with you.
Okay. So when are we leave?
Baby, We'll leave soon, okay? But I still need some more time to get more money. Huh? Just relax yourself. I know you want to leave.
Baby, leave me alone. This money is enough. It's enough for us to go. I don't want anything to happen.
Babe, nothing will happen to me. Do you trust me? Huh?
I trust you, but I'm scared. I don't want anything to go wrong.
I know you're scared, my love, okay? I promise you I will sort everything out in due time and we'll leave. Come to baby and I.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
So let's cheers to all you.
You will leave very soon.
So my
Promise.
love, I promise you.
Hi, darling. You're back? I've been waiting for you in the room. I have something very important I want to show you.
Tasha,
Yes.
I think I need some time.
Sometime from work or what?
From this relationship. I need some time to put my thoughts together. Then we can decide if this is going to be or not.
Obio, why are you saying this to me? What is it? What happened? After all we've been through? Come on now. Wait. Ria, don't tell me you're seeing another woman. Have you been cheating on me with another woman? Not again. You cheating again, Obio?
Ah, there it is. You lack understanding. Tasha, you're very inconsiderate. You don't even care about me, how I feel. All you do is constantly referring to my past mistakes.
Your past mistake shaped me. Your past mistake damaged me. I am living like this because of your past mistakes. Come on. I am going nowhere. After all I have invested in this relationship, you want to break up with me? It's not possible. Let me tell you, I'm going nowhere. We die here. Me and you, we die in this relationship. You go nowhere, I go nowhere. Nothing. Take it or leave it. Break up. Come on, break up, let me see. You think it's possible? Like just carry a hit on the ground, going and you break it.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me, oh. Try, guide you with every strength I have.
Miss you too, you know that. Yes. Don't worry. Immediately I'm done taking care of my mom. You know, I'm the only one taking care of her. And she's sick in the hospital and all that. Yeah. I love you. See, I promise I'm going to make it up to you. Yes. I know there's this rush in your eye. So, when I get back, I'm going to bring her over to you. We will have 3 sons. Yes. 3 sons.
Tap sound. Chakam. What 3 sons? Did you hear that? She said we're going to have 3
Have you been
sons.
listening to me? Were you listening to my conversation?
Sorry. I was recording everything for evidence.
Why would you record me? For what?
Because I want to have enough evidence.
Say, Otoma, can you please delete that video?
Delete what? I've already sent it to my mother's cell for backup.
I said you should delete it before I delete you.
If I delete this, how will you delete my mother's phone?
Otoma, okay, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Can we just talk?
Send it to my mother's cell.
Delete that video
Come
before I delete you.
If you delete my own, you will not delete my mother's phone.
Otoma.
If you delete my own, you will not delete my mother's
I'm
phone.
not playing with you. Otoma, I'm not.
Leave my phone. But I said now. Delete. Delete it.
Otoma, delete that video.
Guys, we have no other option than to eliminate her.
What? Please count me. You guys should count me out.
Like I said before, I can't have someone's blood on my hands. Never.
Ejima, just shut up. Shut up! That thing is about to ruin everything we have worked for. Don't you get it? No, we won't let her do it. Never.
But we have enough money. Let's leave before it's too late. What is all this? Eh? I am not done yet. I am not leaving this place until I make Obiora penniless. Yes.
It's obvious we will do this without involving Ijoma.
We are in this together. We will do it together. Yes. No going back. No going back. We are involved and we'll do it together. Alright?
Guys, what do we do now?
We will eliminate her before she gets those recordings to Obiora. Never. Because I will not let her win.
Exactly. I'm in full support.
Never. Please, like I said before, let's leave. Now that we can, let's just leave this place. One more word for you, Ijoma. I am going to teach you or show you the beasts Obiora made. Did you get that?
It's okay, guys. Yes. Ijoma, you need to stop being a scarecrow, okay? We will do it. We will do what we're supposed to do.
So, people think that I'm a small person. She don't know anything. You are forgetting that my brain is bigger, like way bigger than that of both of you. You don't know. That is why you want to bribe me with this meat. I can even count it. Look. It's clear. I can count. You don't have to bribe me with this nonsense small thing with juice. As long as truth now, Abi.
No. UTONWA, you only want to ask for your forgiveness. And also ask for your friendship, that's all.
Which friendship? Okay, because you have seen the future. Because you have seen that very soon I will take over. I will be in charge of everything. That's why you want to ask for forgiveness. It's too late. Very, very late.
Like she said, we're here to ask for your forgiveness.
Yes.
Let's just start afresh now. You know we love you so much.
Yeah.
So you want to start afresh?
Yes.
As new leaf.
Yes.
As fresh leaf.
Yes.
Mukus. You are very mad. Two of you are very crazy. Say, we are stupid. We are mad. Hey, Ati, talk. We are mad.
We are mad.
You, both of you are saying that if I join you. Say, you both of you, we are mad. You.
Both of you are mad.
I'm not ready now. I'm not ready. If you are ready, come on, carry all this thing. Take my phone, say, both of you, we are mad.
Both of you, we are mad. You are mad. You are mad.
Good. Confusion. Both of you, you are mad. This one, you are mad. Mad people. Look at them. Act like also. Now, I already know what you want. And now, the only good thing here is both of you should just ask me what I want. Else, I will do the needful.
Okay, fine. What do you want?
Good. What I want is everything. In fact, every time you people see me, I want both of you to bow and greet me.
Eh?
That's number one. Number two, I don't want to always do for my food. You always make me food with assorted meat. What did I say? Assorted meat. And don't allow me to come and remind you of my food or ask you for my food. Do you understand? Then over to you, Frank. Every blessed, like every day, you have to buy me chilled soap, water and gari. Make it back for a wedding day and I'll be invited. Which one is what? Yes, if you are not interested, you leave it. I'm not forcing anybody though. I'm not a beggar. It's not like I cannot afford it for myself.
It's fine. So, after then, we can become friends, right?
Are you mad? No. Do I look like your level? Do I look like your class? You don't know your mates. You cannot identify your class when you see them. Take care. Be careful. Be careful. Let's maintain the energy.
Yes.
I don't want. Okay, we'll carry on this thing. No. Maintain the energy. I beg. E for energy, aura for aura. Please. Come and serve this drink fast. Check your finger. Let me see that you can't put poison. Let me see your fingers, everybody. If I know can put poison.
Listen, Ochi. If you know you can't do that job, better return my money now. Okay?
How much do you think that is making you raise your voice? Asking me to hurt my very good friend UTONWA. That girl is like a sister to me. I can't hurt her. We've come a very long way. And moreover, there are things she's doing for me right now. I don't want to ruin that, please.
Then why did you take the money from me when you know you can't deliver the job? Why?
Nah, forget this thing. No, sir, I'm a street boy now. I need money to sort one or two things now. I be guy man now. Okay, so what will happen eh? Give me some time. Make I hustle your money, pay you back.
Listen, Uche, if you don't deliver this job, I promise you, I will come for you and your sister. And I promise you won't contain me.
You come for my sister?
Yeah, I promise you.
You won't even dare.
You know how dangerous I can be, right? She won't be able to contain me when I come for you. I promise you.
You won't do anything. Like, come on for here, this boy.
Give you 24 hours to do that job. Return my money to me. Else, you won't like me.
Can't do anything. 24 hours. And please come.
UTONWA sugar girl, UTONWA sugar. UTONWA no dey take any nonsense.
Why you can't stay outside so long? Can't keep this fine bobo for this place. You're not good now. Eh? See bobo where you go see, you go know say this one then train and wear. This one they very responsible. Eh? The kind bobo where person supposed they proud of. You can't keep them for here. You're not good now. See as they do now. Eh? You can't come out, so can't stay long. Person will can't think say I no train you well. No matter okay, see me.
Bros, what did they do here? Alpha, what did they stop? Why you carry my matter into my house? Eh? For ordinary small promise, what I promise you now. You don't make the matter long. I don't understand. Can't think that one now.
UTONWA, what impression are you giving your mother? Why are you making her look at me like a bad person? For someone like me and you get, you just make her see say I be bad person.
What impression are you giving her to now? As she don't come now, make she feel as how. What do you want me to think now? Alignment when me and you get like we talk.
Because una don't lose me for here now. What's in the happen? Which kind of alignment? Waiting they talk.
As you don't bring the alignment now inside, make a cook my cash too. Nah, small promise what I promise this boy you. Now he meet me, he carry gift to come meet me. Say make I help him rugged out with my girl, my friend, Tina. Make I link two of them together. I say no wahala, I go do it. Now you don't carry my matter into my house now. What do you want me to feel?
Hey! Yeah, what? So not be my daughter you find coming. Eh? You can't get liver. Wakakurukere enter this house. I give you seat, you agree. Sit down. Carry your nyash plaster for there. Can't waste all my prayers while they pray inside. And all the praises while they praise you. Think say, now later you go enter house with me. Can't they pray? Better prayer for you inside. Because I think say, you be my future son-in-law. Eh? Small thing. Small shikini thing. I for go inside, go bring out wine. Why they say since 19 can't give you. And as you don't look me with that, I know say you go drink them. Now that time God for punish you.
But why you even tell her this the way they tell her? For me, I don't understand. You want to tell me behind my back? You want to tell me? I don't understand. Me and you not tell me I get my own targets. I get my own future. I get person who they look up to. Don't be making me to be looking down on somebody.
Hey.
Don't do it. I don't like it. I have somebody that have hope.
The one way they pay me be say as I dey talk, he still stand.
They look me. Don't do your own.
If I come out my slippers now, where ya? I see I summer slippers for visitor. I'm not fetching a bro. My best daughter moto neighbor.
Mama, let's leave that one and face me. Make I face you. I don't like this kind of thing, Mama. I don't like Amu. No, they do this kind of thing.
My friend, go and sit down. Are you better than me? You better pass out. See, it's the problem where you get now this UTONWA where I give you. Then make you hang yourself where you no reach.
I don't know why God will carry me and come to this world without my consent. Now, another problem now, you know that you carry me to this world without my consent. You now gave me to somebody that I don't even like. You never ask me the kind of person I want as a mother. Now you are giving me the person now. The person is insulting me anyhow.
Then I know him now manage. Yeah? Just look at the goal that manage. You don't know that I'm managing you.
You're seeing it?
Yeah?
Somebody you preciously put me to our
My problem is that you are very wicked. You came out to tear shoes and that was like a mother. I'm off here. Go. I'm not blaming you. Yes, every mother's dream. Now make her picking. Man, come on.
You where is your husband?
Now you block him. Now you block him.
Where is he?
Nobody dream marry me with you. They say unless I throw away you, they will marry me. But because I be better person, I no agree to throw away.
I make her come on. Now make her go find my own alone.
You know I know you are very ungrateful. Very ungrateful. Ungrateful. Now what do you? I don't. You get caught. Me, I can't caught. I don't blame you.
No, I'm very sure you'll be wondering why I am here. It's not as if I'm happy being here. Just that, condition. Condition has finished bending all the crayfish in my life. Who is in careful? Nenum.
What is the problem?
Hey! Everything is the problem. Everything is the problem. It is now that I have realized that UTONWA is the heart of my business. My business has collapsed. Since I allowed her to come and work for you, everyone's in business. Because all the customers that have been coming to buy akara because of her suddenly stopped coming. And business mother. Hey! That is why I decided to come. So that you can give me some money, loan, or for free. Loan me some money so that I can start another business and leave her for you. Oh?
So what you're saying is that you need some money?
Wow! Any dream ego. But like I said, not free. Loan. And if for any reason you are thinking maybe I will run away with your money, or I will abscond, or I will disappear with your money, UTONWA is there. I will leave her for you. At least she will now serve as collateral. No,
I'm not agreeing to that.
Ha! You have a choice. You have to agree, oh. You have to agree. Because indirectly, you are the reason my business failed. You are the reason my business failed. After all, UTONWA has been doing her best for you. Forget the fact that she's small. Forget about her size. Her good work is speaking volumes for her. UTONWA is the reason you go out every day and hustle like a young man and come back without any fear. Yes, because you know that somebody is at home taking care of your properties. UTONWA is the reason you stay in your house balanced, we're cheery, and you feel good and secure. UTONWA is the reason you sleep at night with your two eyes closed. A lot of people sleep with one eye, but then allow with two because of my daughter. What are you saying? So you have a choice. So you have to give me this money.
Like how much are we talking about here?
Ihedeka 1.5.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me.
Welcome, sir. Come on, tell me, the food is ready.
You still have not answered my question. What are you doing in the kitchen and why is Ijoma at the gate?
Boss, Ijoma told her to come stay inside while she takes care of the kid.
UTONWA, are you tired of your job?
No. Why would I be tired when I'm working in my Destiny Ipa's house? I cannot be tired, sir.
Go to your duty post, okay? I'm sorry, boss.
I said, it's that in fast.
Shut up, man. What are you doing?